Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya beauty style channel. Yes, this is video. It will be very simple holiday look. I will show you how I make my hair look so pretty and curly. I'm gonna use this amazing brush set. Which one is my favorite now? It's Nordstrom. I love these brushes. I truly, and it's like I think 11 or 12 inside, just for $100. Also, I'm gonna show you how for my eyes. Can you imagine? I have just one eyeshadow, and it's from Stila, and it makes such a big difference. I will show you, teach you how I create this look. Also, we're gonna use amazing serum from Lancome, brand new. Okay, watch, subscribe, comments below, because we're gonna have fun together. I decide to show you first how I do my hair. First item, it's before my curling iron. I am protecting my hair with mist from DRYBAR. It smells so good and it's protect my hair from heat. Then I will start curl my hair, and I have little trick here. Watch, I'm using little bit older version of T3 curling tool, but I really want you again to see how I curl my hair. But now we still selling these products at Nordstrom, but it's gonna be little, it will be like a white color. But you see how I curl? You can use gloves. I decide I don't need to use. I use to these products. But you see how I leave in this end right here, pretty good amount, and then you have a beautiful curl. My hair, it's done. It looks pretty. I have a nice beautiful curves, and it's so easy. And now I'm gonna show you what skincare I use and foundation. Okay, let's show you my skincare. Today I'm gonna use brand new Lancome serum. Yes, it's a triple action brand new serum from Lancome. This is new serum from Lancome. Visibly target volume loss, wrinkle and dark spots. Also, 84% women agree skin looks younger, smooth, and they are see big difference. But let's try this. Again, this serum, oh, look how pretty. It's unusual how it's pump working. This is serum, it's have a 3 formulas. Oh, let me show you much more close. Okay, we have here cream, gel, and emulsion blended all together. Oh my god, it feels, I will tell you, I feel like cream and oil together. I love how it smells. It's not smells very strong, but right now for winter I truly need this serum. It's 1.7, I believe it's $135, but if your skin look dry or dry, this is amazing products. Again, it's gonna help you with dark spots, with lines, wrinkles, and with discoloration, pigmentation. I need this. You always use serum first, morning and night, and on top your favorite moisturizer. And for my moisturizer, I decided I'm gonna use my La Mer today. This is original formula. It's creamy and rich. You need to melt on your skin, break this moisturizer, and I just left to apply just on top of my serum. Okay, eye cream, and we are done. For my eye area, I decided to use today ESTÉE LAUDER. It's a very smooth texture. Now we're gonna use foundation primer, and I decide to use today Yves Saint Laurent First, it smooths my lines, a little bit my wrinkles. Also, my foundation will stay all day long, but I like because it feels so good on my skin and I want my skin to look so glowing. And this is Radiance Primer. Now for my foundation, I want a full coverage, but I also want a radiance look. I'm gonna use one of my favorite right now foundation. It is full coverage 20 SPF from Claire de Pau, and my colors is 020. Because my eye area today a little bit dark, I'm gonna use Chanel concealer, but this concealer color's little bit dark for me. It's color 032. I usually use, and I believe, color like 10 or 20, but I want to correct first my darkness and then I'm gonna apply the lighter concealer on top. And for my concealer, I'm gonna use Claire de Pau concealer. It's very creamy, rich, and I like how it feels under my eyes. Hair it's done, foundation it's done, concealer too. I did fill my eyebrows, and now we're gonna do eyes, and I'm gonna use this beautiful brush set we're gonna use for face and we're gonna use for eyes. It's one of my favorite brand right now. Today I'm gonna use a cream contour from Chanel first with this brush. You can see how bronze make a huge difference. After my bronze, I'm gonna use a sponge, and I'm gonna use transparent powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes and under my contour for extra slim and glam. I just purchased this beautiful set with 3 eyeshadow from Stila at Nordstrom. It's 3 like sparkly liquid eyeshadow from Stila. And because it's holiday, we're gonna use this tiny eyeshadow. Really like it. All what I tried to make very easy eye look for you. I'm gonna use this beautiful brush to apply eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. Now with same powder from Laura Mercier, I'm gonna just set my eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna use contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but you can use any bronze, which one you like. I'm gonna use a small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this color, and it's light to medium contour brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And now this beautiful eyeshadow color Wanderlust we're gonna put on my eyelids, and liquid eyeliner, mascara, and we will finish of course with beautiful lip color, highlighter and blush. Oh, it's so shimmery, it's so pretty. Let's put little bit more brown eyeshadow in the bottom. And now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner. For my lashes, I'm gonna use Lancome mascara, very little, just very small amount. It's a good separation, and of course I'm gonna use it for the bottom. And then I'm gonna use for the lashes. Now I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter from MAC with this small tiny brush, and we're gonna use just this first color, it's lightest color. I'm gonna apply just slightly, little bit under my brow bone. Again, it's gonna lift my eye and it's gonna make my eye more look spectacular. And of course, I'm gonna also apply a little bit right here on the corner. Time for bronze, little highlighter under my eyes, blush. We almost done, girl. I'm gonna use big brush to remove this baking powder from LAURENT. Yeah, can you see I look much more younger? This is what's about makeup, not applying hundreds products. It just make it to enhance your beauty and look like to look more maybe younger, pretty. And when you look younger, you look more happy, right? I look more happy now. I just love makeup and it's make huge difference on me personally. Or for me. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful small brush, and again we're gonna use my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna use number 2 in this palette, and I would like to apply a little bit right here on top of my cheek for extra glow. A little bit corner of my nose, above my lips, but if you have hair there, don't do it. Now I'm gonna use this brush and I'm just gonna make like a one swap, and this is I'm gonna use for my contour. I will put a little bit on top. I have already a little bit bronze here, but I want just slightly little bit more clean look. Okay, this is a little bit too much. Let's blend it. And of course, under love these brushes. This feels so good. And I think this huge set only $100 for all this brush. For my blush, I'm gonna use Clinique number 14 Heather Pop with this fabulous new blush for my cheek. And let's put on top of my highlighter and above bronze. Voila, it's pretty. Let's choose the lips. For my lips, I choose something very soft and natural, like makeup, no makeup. Of course, I'm gonna use today my favorite lip liner from Lancome Bronzele. It's here. Then I'm gonna use lipstick from MAC, and it's color half and half. It's a so pretty color. And then I will on top put lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. Of course, colors all listed below. I hope you like this look. Again, my hair look fabulous, makeup so simple, and again, it's all about to be young, right? And holidays here. It's a perfect easy eye makeup look or makeup look. It's for everyone. My lips, it's done. I look so pretty and happy. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. All products are listed below. Of course, I can send you everything from Nordstrom, and again, I think this is so pretty, easy look for holiday. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Let's be happy.